This company has three open positions, which is the writing position, the creative videographer position, and the content creator position. So if you are either good at writing or videographer or content creating, this video is for you. Most interestingly, you can apply for this job from any country in the world and you can get paid $2,000 in a month. So in this video, I will talk about how to apply to each position. If you are new on this channel, my name is Sam and I make videos about remote job opportunities or how you can make money online in general. So if you like content like this, subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to me. Also, like this video so that you can get to see more videos like this one. With this being said, let us go into the content. The name of this company is called Contra. Contra is a professional network for the independent digital workforce. People use Contra to create stunning visual profiles, earn money commission-free, and build high-quality professional communities and referral network. Now, talking about the first position, which is the writing position, they are looking for experience creating and editing high-quality content, strong domain expertise, active on social media, and familiar with engagement strategy. So your job is not really writing per se, it is creating and editing eye-catching writing content on social media. If you scroll up a bit more, you will see this, and I'm going to read this out as well. As a member of the Contra Creator Program, you will be creating high-quality portfolio projects about writing. This will be featured on Contra and around the web. You will be paid 2,000 USD for a month project for the following scope. Now, this is the scope they want you to do. Create and share 8 to 10 high-quality projects on your Contra portfolio. Contra will help you choose the topic that will be most beneficial to your portfolio. We will also do SEO research on each topic to make sure your portfolio gets tons of visibility. Host the content on your Contra portfolio that lives on your custom domain. We can help you get one if you don't have one already. Ensure that the content is easy to share and engage with on social media platforms and other online channels. Share content on your social platform or in your communities. So to apply for this position, you have to fill a web form which look like this one. So for the sake of this video, I will only input wrong details in the application form since I don't want to apply for this job today. The second position available in this company is the videographer position, and these are the scope of the job. Create and share 8 to 10 high quality projects on your Contra portfolio. Contra will help you choose the topic that will be most beneficial to your portfolio. We will also do SEO research on each topic to make sure your portfolio gets tons of visibility. Host the content on your Contra portfolio that lives on your custom domain. Ensure that the content is easy to share and engage with on social media platforms and other online channels. Share content on social media platform or in your community. So they are looking for experience creating and editing high quality content, strong domain expertise, active on social media and familiar with engagement strategy. And to apply for this position is the same with the first one. Check the video description to click the link that directs you to the application form. Alright, the third position is the social creator, and here is the scope of the job. Alright, so the scope of the job is the same as the scope of other job I have read on earlier, so I wouldn't be reading that right now, and I will just read out what they are looking for. They are looking for experience creating and editing high quality content, strong domain expertise, active on social media, and familiar with engagement strategies. Please understand that this position is completely remote and you can work from anywhere, any country whatsoever. If this video has helped you in a way or the other, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if this job is not what you want, kindly stay tuned. I post a new video every Sunday reviewing companies who are hiring, so you can never tell if the next company I am going to talk about is the company that will work for you. Alright, before I go, please understand that I am not a financial expert. This video is for educational purpose only. So with this being said, I will see you in my next video.